Wouldn't it be nice to have something exciting to look forward to in the mail every month? With Paper Pumpkin, you can. Paper Pumpkin is a monthly crafting subscription box containing supplies to create an assortment of handmade items. You can share with family, friends, and even those soon to become friends.
Oh, thank you so much. This card for you. Oh my gosh. Hey, that's so cute. Thank you so much.
With every project comes an opportunity to make meaningful connections. These seasonally themed craft kits encourage you to explore your creativity to make cards and other giftable items for a variety of occasions. Giving something handmade brightens anyone's day. As a subscriber, you become part of our creative community. These all-inclusive, ready-to-make kits bring friends together to share new crafting adventures. Expand your social circle and turn it into a creative circle with Paper Pumpkin. It's simple. Share what you love and help others find joy through creativity. Start your monthly subscription to Paper Pumpkin by Stampin' Up! Today by talking to your demonstrator or by visiting paperpumpkin.com.